Hello guys, I'm Jitendra Chaurasia. Welcome you to my channel, The Office Guys Tutorials. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you create an 8-point infographics in just PowerPoint without using any additional plugin. I'll press Ctrl N to take a new document and right click on the empty slide and change the layout to blank. So now first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this shape. For that, let's come to drawing option, and here you can find an option called arc. So just click on the arc and make sure before you click on your mouse, press shift on the keyboard and drag it. Once it is done, you will notice that you are under the format tab now. Now press 5 and 5 just to resize this. Now right click and come to the format shape. Under the line option, change its width to somewhere around 50 and change its transparency to somewhere around 15%. And the same time, the cap type, right now you can see we have a flat cap type, change that to round. So our basic shape is ready, and now we have to create the entire shape. Okay, it is nothing but just rotating the same shape again and again to obtain the final output. So let's rotate this first. Make sure that you press shift and just rotate it like this. Okay, just for your understanding, I will show the angle of the rotation here is 135 degree. Okay, keep it like this and make sure that you align this to center. So since there are total 8 number of shape, and for a complete rotation that there should be 45 degree rotation for each. So 45 degree into 8 means 360 degree, which means a complete rotation. So what I'm going to do is I'll press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to make a duplicate of this. Now come to the shape option, and if you're unable to see this option, right click here and you can click format shape and you'll get the option here. Now come to this option, sizing properties, and make sure right now it is 135. So let's add 45 into this, and that turns out to be 180 degrees. So I'll just change it to 180. Okay, not this one. Let me just press Ctrl Z to undo this one. Okay, the second shape. So I'll make this as 180 and I'll keep it over here. In a similar way, I'll press Ctrl C and Ctrl V once again, and let me just add another 45 degree to this. So 180 plus 45 sums around to be 225. So I'll place it over here. So once these 3 shapes are done, press Ctrl A to select all the things and press Ctrl G to group it, and press Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste it, and just rotate it for 180 degrees and just place it over here. So with this you can see our shape is almost going to be ready. Now what I'm going to do is, in a similar way, I'll once again Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I will rotate it so that it matches the requirement somewhere like this. So now no need to worry, this one is repeating, so not a problem, that we can handle very easily. So what I'm going to do now is, so let me just fix this doesn't look good. Yeah, now it is looking good. Now press Ctrl A and right click, group, ungroup, and now make sure that you delete this one. So with this you can see our shape is ready. Now it's time to color the shape. So select individual shape and give the color of your choice. So I'm giving first one as red. So with this you can see our shape is ready, and let's so this is what the color that I have used, and let's see how I can create these things. So the font I have used here is called Agency FP. I think this font is inbuilt, it comes with the window, so there will be no problem for that. And this bottom font is Roboto condensed font. This font you can download from Google Fonts. By the way, I have provided a link for this font in the description box, and you can go and download. And also this template is available on my Gumroad page, so you can visit there and download this template. So let me just come back to the presentation now. So I will take a text box and I will change the font to Agency FB, and let me just give a number 01 and bold, and I will increase the size. Yeah, that looks fine to me. Now I will, again, you can do Control C Control V to copy, or you can press Shift, or you can press Control and drag to get a duplicate. So let me just change topic. Okay, so the font is very big now, so I will reduce it and I will stretch to this end, and I will just copy once again. I will reduce the font size and I will change it to Roboto condensed, and I will increase it further, and just let me write. You can type your text here, and I think we can further reduce this, or let me just remove the bold. We can increase the size of this still. Yeah, that now it looks fine. So let me just group all this thing together, Control G. So let me just put it quickly. So first copy, second copy, third, fourth, fifth, or what we can do is, let me just make one more copy here, and we can just take directly these three and we can put it on the other side. So let me just quickly change the number 01, 02, 08. Now what we have to do is just to correlate which belongs to what. So what I usually do, I will change the color of this. So this one is red, and 8th is again this orange shade here. So let me just show you the preview how it looks, and here you have your 8-point infographics made in PowerPoint. And in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how you can take this shape further to design something like this. So this is your slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. So you can see it changes with the color. So that tutorial will come shortly. Meanwhile, I would like to know your thought on this tutorial. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.